Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels with Volume Styles application on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the Volume Styles app. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Okay, now just tap here to open the application, and on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just tap once on the switcher. Here go to the volume styles and tap on the switcher to use the application. Now just tap to allow, and here click yes, I agree. And right now we got here all our new available the volume panels, and you can select one from this panel. For example, we'll try the iOS one, and now when you'll just press here on your buttons, volume buttons on the right side of your phone, you can see that we get really close to the iOS volume panel. Also we can select another one, for example the waves, and now we'll just check that. Yes, can you see we just changed successfully our regular volume panel to the wave one. And just if you want to select another one, just you can do that by the same way. And if you want just to turn it off, just tap here to stop, and if you'll check, you got here your regular the default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.